Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a quick sketch with outline. Open up a picture, click sketching, make sure our paper width, height is set, and choose a margin width. Now we click reference points in our picture, and the points we click, it'll show us on the left here what the measurements are to apply that point to our page. You can see we've got to measure up, and then we got to measure from the left. So on the paper, we get our ruler. And we make our little mark. You can see my mark was a little bit off on my x-axis, but it's okay. Made it a little bit darker where it's supposed to be. Get my next mark. Go for the other corner of the eye. This one's a little easier because I got an idea where it's going to go on the paper now. Now what I like to do with eyes is instead of measuring 4 points, I'll just measure the height, how high up the top of the eye is and how high up the bottom of the eye is, and I'll just make a little boundary mark there. I'm just measuring up for these parts. Oh, she's got 2 eyes. Let's do the other one. I like a clear plastic ruler so I can see underneath it while I'm working with it. Same thing here with just measuring the boundary. How far up I have to measure. Then we just fill in between the dots, referencing the picture and looking to see what shape we should be making between the dots and trying to recreate that as best I can. you enjoyed. Happy sketching!